Today I'll teach you how to use regular expression validator in ASP.NET. So let's start. I will start by adding an ASP.NET text box control. I'm setting the ID for the text box. After that, I am adding regular expression validator. The very first property is the ID of the control. The second property is the validation expression, and I am setting the regular expression which will be used for validation. Now I'm adding property control to validate, where we have to specify the ID of the control to be validated. And lastly, the error message, which will be displayed to the user when the validation fails. The last thing I'm adding is a button, so that when the button is clicked, we can verify the validation. So with this, we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project. The text box and the button has been rendered. So as you can see, the validation is working fine. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.